Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use both cameras in Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna see options like Live, Video, Go Live, Chat, and Me. Tap on Go Live and select Go Live. Now on the bottom left corner of the screen, you're gonna see three options. Go ahead and select the three-line menu from there. There, under Room Tools, you'll see options like Share, Beauty, Magic, Mirror, Flip, and finally Duo. Go ahead and tap on Duo. Then it will ask you how you would like your camera layout to be, rectangular, none, or circle. Select one of those, then go back. And guys, that's it. That's how you use both cameras in Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.